Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of My Lover's Dangerous, chapter 46. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Wang Yuner and Shang Wenmin. Still, the two of them are talking about the plan. Shang Wenmin, she want to help her to solve the case about her cousin, but it seems that Yuner, she was hesitating because the motive of Shang Wenmin it's really not getting seen. But Shang Wenmin said to her, "Look, look, what is this?" So she want to show something. It seems that her aunt, it's really a godmother of Shangonin, showing, "Are you tired of the new song recently? I will send you some low cuts." Well, godmother, I love you, moi. Well, Wang Yuner's aunt, it seems that she was really surprised about this. She doesn't know that her aunt, it's really her godmother. Well, it seems that the two of them are really getting connected to each other. Well, unexpectedly, her aunt is also a fan of mine. So I took the opportunity to her, my godmother. Your aunt is my godmother, so we are a family. Can you still refuse me from joining your plan? Well, Shang Wanning, you really Anne. Now, it really makes sense. She really can decline it. Well, I really lost to you this time. In order to prevent others from finding my aunt, I sent her away and hired people in my hometown. Well, maybe this is a fate. Since we cannot stop it, we might as well as let it happen. Now, Wang Yuner said to her, "It seems that Shang Guanin, she is really a smart person. She can really find anyone. Shang Guanin, I choose you to believe you." Well, it seems that she want to make peace with her. She stretched out her hands and trying to please her. "Wang Yuner, I will never betray you," Shang Guanin said to her. So today, it's like a promise for the two of them that they're really gonna help each other. Well, suddenly, there's someone who's taking a photo shoot. Could it be that there's someone who wants to see them? Well, this is not good, right? Sister, 1-1. So, it seems that she was the office and she is always busy. Well, probably, oh Chansey, she's really getting busy these past days. Well, this little girl, hand out there is no end to work, so have a bowl of the bird's nest and go to bed early. Well, the little girl said to her, "Bird's nest, well, likes to eat it." Oh, Chances said to her, "Well, makes sense. It seems that she know everything about Wang Yuner now, except for the cousins and hers." The beauty of the female star is 100% natural and 30% maintenance. All she can remember is the sweet face and also happy person of Wang Yuner. Now, makes sense. Sister is very well. It seems that she is really getting jealous, right? With the attentions of Ochansi that goes through Wang Yuner. Now, it seems that she is not getting Faye attention. She is my love, and it's my duty to understand her. If Sister Sissy finds a lover, will she forget about me? Well, of course not. Ochansi said to her, but it seems that her priority is always Wang Yuner, even though she treats her as a sister. "By the way, I just happen to have something to discuss with you." Well, she take out the books from something. "Yuner, you are very capable and should not be just a small assistant." Well, Ochin said to her, "I want you to go to Wanshan area to take in charge of the subgroup. What do you think?" Well, it is really a perfect time or also a perfect opportunity to her to help her. But can Yuner help her? On the surface, they said that they will continue to be nice, but in reality, they exalt me to such a remote place. Now, Yunner, don't you want to? Sister Sissy, I still have a lot to learn. Now, the contract, I'm afraid I won't be able to do it well, but I still want to follow you. Well, good girl this time. It's good for you to follow me, but I don't want you to become another me. Yunner, I've always been afraid that you would be too deeply influenced by me and lose your way. Oh, chances said to Yunner, well, she's the person I want to be with, and you will meet someone like her, well, in the future. Now, makes sense. They both have an argument, but Yunner take the contract and said to her, okay, I understand. Well, this girl, it seems to be, are going to be rebellious, right? But let's wait and see. Sister Cece, if I have nothing else to do, I will lead first. It seems that until now she was sulking and she don't want to bother her on her work, but it seems that there's a thing that it really make her to cry. Wang Yuner, it's your appearance that it makes me unable to exist in this family. So she put her blame all to Wang Yuner. Well, let's hope that the two of them can really meet again. Now, let's hope that she and Wang Yuner can be really close in the future, but it was really getting too far from that. Yes, your cold would get better after taking the medicines. Well, it's so uncomfortable to carry it. Her manager said to her, you don't need to take it, but can get a better. Now, makes sense. Wang Yuner, she's really getting silly. This medicine is too bitter. I can drink it. Now, she was complaining to her manager about she really can take the medicine, but it was really important to take medicine so she can really get well. The manager seems to be having difficulty, but someone was calling him. The door was open. Brother Lee, let me do it. So it turns out Oh Chancy surely came in and said to her, she is the one who's going to feed her. Brother Lee said it was good, but then I leave first, and now he closed the door. Well, this is really getting tricky, especially Wang Yuner. She's really acting strange, but also in front of Sissy. Can she really make that face? It turns out that the big star who is really less afraid of taking the medicine. Oh, Chances said to her. Now she is trying to coax her. Sissy, why are you here? Well, I came and gave you some medicine. Oh, Chances said to her, but Wang Yuner, she keeps staring on her. Her face is still turning red. Well, how to fit? Now, this girl, she really wanted to coax her. Let's see on what's gonna happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!